Alright everybody, it's about a week after July 4th and it's super hot out, but today I wanted to take some time to do a fun video and review one of these little tiny firecracker cannons. This is a cheap Chinese knockoff, or as they call it, a military Serios Manual. I don't know what that's all about, but that's the only English writing on the whole thing. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it's like.
Unboxing and review with EcoFudge.
So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put a, this unlocks, and then you're supposed to put a firecracker in here, but it would appear that they didn't drill the hole on the back end. There's supposed to be a hole drilled right there. I don't know if you can see that. And then it doesn't have the hole drilled on the inside, so we'll have to drill that. So you put a firecracker in there, lock it on, and then it's supposed to retract. This is, I wonder why this is so loose like this. This could possibly get caught up. That's kind of a little lame. Maybe we can do something about that. So I guess we'll go ahead and give this thing a shot and see what it does. A shot, literally. Right? Come on, maybe. Let's go give it a shot. There we got our hole drilled. See, this is exactly what I mean. It's sitting here on a nice flat surface, but it can't really retract because it hits the ground, so I don't know how it's supposed to work, but we'll try it anyways. Okay, so it won't take these. Too small for these guys, so we gotta go get actual firecrackers. Dang. Okay, we've got the firecrackers that'll fit in the can. Let's go ahead and try it out. Get rid of that one. Well, that failed spectacularly. Let's go ahead and slow the footage down and see what happened in slow-mo. And yeah, there's barely any retraction whatsoever, so it completely failed to function as it's supposed to. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. Alright, well, in conclusion, this thing kind of sucks. Maybe 2 out of 5 stars. Doesn't retract the way it's supposed to. Didn't have a hole drilled in it. Hardware has already fallen off of it here. So, I don't know. Kind of cheesy, but 30 bucks, whatever. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll catch you guys next time.